Hey everybody, I only had a couple of minutes. Of course, we've got some long format videos coming, a ton of stuff, but I had a perfect opportunity to do a quick little, let's call it a tech tip, using the new Skunk Series Tappet fit kit and oversized tappets. So this engine here is for Mr. Johnson out of Arkansas, and it's a 2017 M8. We're doing a complete 117 on it from the case up. We found what has become a common problem with his lifter bores. This was a prime opportunity again to show you about the Skunk Series fit kit and the tappets and why they work so great. So let's zoom in and give you a little better idea of what I'm talking about. All right, one of the first things you'll notice inside this lifter bore here on the front exhaust there, you'll notice it has a sleeve on the inside of it. The porosity was so bad in this particular bore that it had to be bored, then honed, then sleeved to repair the case. Also, the remaining lifter bores, they had a couple porosity issues, but they also had really bad taper in a couple of them, so they had to be honed. And these are oversized. This was honed to standard. So one of the good things is that we can mix and match sizes. So the first place I'm going to show you guys how to use this. This is the standard size fit plug. I'm going to drop that in this first hole, and you'll notice there is no stiction. It falls onto the cam under its own weight. You don't have to be overly concerned about it touching the cam because this is a Delrin plug on the end. It's not going to hurt the cam. So we would drop that into place. We see we have a slip fit and just a small amount of shake, a very tiny amount, but we have no stiction and it falls in under its own weight. So now let's move to the next one. Same, falls, but it does have a bit of shake to it. So we'll move to this one. Falls straight in with a little bit of shake. Falls in, a little bit of shake. So now let's go to the 1/1000th oversize. And notice how it sticks. There's a little bit of stiction in there, right? So we would want to run a standard size in this one, but let's take a look at the others. Drops in, no stiction. All the way under its own weight, only a small amount of shake. Small amount of shake, drops right in. Let's try the 1.5 thou oversize as well. And you want to make sure your bores are clean. You also want to make sure that your fit plug here is also clean, and you want to do this dry. So obviously the 1.5, not going to fit. So we slide it in here. Again, notice we have a little bit of stiction, a little bit of resistance. So we would use a 1 thou there. We try it here. Definitely 1.5 is too large for that. 1.5 is too large for that. So on these bores, we're going to use a standard 1, 1, and 1. So that's several of the features, right? The fit kit itself is fantastic because without complex measuring equipment, it's a very easy way for you to find out what your size lifter bore is and if you require an oversized lifter. Unfortunately, I have found on every single M8 that we have built that it requires at least a 1 thou oversize, even with a low mileage build. So this is a great way to do that, and we know it's very precisely matched to the lifter tappet itself because it's made on the exact same production line out of the exact same material. So this is a 1-to-1 match. You know what you're going to get. Another great part is that you can, in fact, mix and match these. So again, a 1/2 and 3 1 thou. So before we put them in, of course, we're going to use our GEMS vacuum tool to fully prime the tappet or lifter before we put it in there, and then continue on with the build. He's going to have a perfectly quiet drivetrain, powertrain when we're done. And of course, we've got a ton of long format coming, more tool tech videos, a ton of teardown videos, some assembly videos, some shovel head stuff that you guys have been waiting on. So we've got a ton of content on the way. So again, guys, I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves and each other. Have a good one.